don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the arteries.
Hi guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this makeup look for you guys. And this is for my ladies out there who are about to graduate this year, or if you're about to attend a grad ball or end of the year event sa school nyo. So this look is very appropriate. And the good thing about this look is that I used all affordable makeup products. And the best thing is, I didn't use any eyeshadow or eyeshadow palettes. So if you're thinking of a makeup look or makeup idea na hindi mo kailangan gumastos for an eyeshadow, or gusto mong makatipid and gusto mong ma-utilize lang kung ano yung meron ka in your collection, so this makeup look is for you. For sure, I know meron kang bronzer dyan, meron kang blush, and meron kang highlight. So yun lang yung kailangan mo to come up with this look. Sana magustuhan nyo itong look na to. And before I begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos, and so that you'll be part of our clique. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so sisimulan natin with the kilay. As you can see, wala pa akong kilay. So, I'm just going to use the usual, the CathyDoll Sexy Brow Pencil. This is one of those affordable brow pencil in the market. And for me, isa to sa mga pinakamagandang nagamit ko kasi super dali niya ring gamitin. It has a spoolie and meron siyang yung gantong klase ng pencil. It's not really a slim or super payat na pencil. For the brow mascara, I'm just using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I have a full review on this. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it. It really feels light on the face and sobrang comfortable niya. But, again, hindi siya flattering on me. I don't know why. Masyadong nakikita yung mga pores and textures ko. Pero, sa mga sis ko dyan na gagraduate pa lang and syempre magwo-work after graduation, I highly recommend na you go get this foundation kasi nga super comfortable siya. So, kung magko-commute ka everyday, hindi ka magfi-feeling malagkit or something. So, yan. Highly recommended. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me. Go for Maybelline kasi lagi silang nakasale sa Watsons or even sa Lazada. Lagi kong nakikita na parang may surprise sale keme si Lazada. The Maybelline Fit Me is also very lightweight. Hindi rin to mabigat sa face or parang yung feeling mo may makapal kang suot sa mukha mo. Perfect siya with the foundation. So for my powder, ito yung gagamitin ko, the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So, for bronzer, I always use this and baka nagsasawa na kayo. Pero kasi this is like one of the cheapest talaga in the market. And this is the Careline Contour Stick. Lagi ko itong ginagamit kasi gumagana naman siya. Alam mo yun, hindi siya mahirap gamitin. So, yan na yung ating contour. But I have here the Sunnies Face Glow Boss in Mamacita. And gusto ko siyang ilagay on top because I think, alam nyo naman, usong-uso ang mga glowy face, ganyan, diba? So, I just want to add more warmth sa face. So, So now, we are moving on to the blush. And for blush ito, ang blush, maraming mamurang blush sa market. So, meron si Everbilena, meron si Maybelline. Pero ito yata yung pinakamurang blush in my collection. And this is the EB Advanced Cheek Color in Fig. So, sobrang nauso to last year. It's a mauve shade siya. But I think na-phase out na tong color na to. But it's a very pretty blush. Grabe tong blush na to. Love this. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna use the Sunnies Face Glow Boss in Hey Girl, but you can use other highlight, like ito, meron ako dito si Maybelline Master Chrome, or meron din ako yung favorite ko na mura din, itong from Jazzy Collections. This is in blusher. So, ganyan siya. May pagka-pink to eh. So, maybe I'll top. Hindi ko alam kung ano ita-top off ko kay Hey Girl, but this is what I'll use first. So, i-glide ko lang siyang. Ayun, kita nyo kagad siya, diba? Actually, I just use my finger when. Hindi ko alam, ba't ako may brush? But I just use my finger when blending this out. Kasi madali siyang i-blend with the finger. And mag-move on muna tayo sa ating eyes. So, like what I mentioned, hindi tayo gagamit ng any eyeshadow today. So, yung gagamitin ko is actually itong mga nasa harapan ko din right now, and maybe a lipstick, I don't know, I'm not sure. But we'll come up with a look na simple lang. You can wear sa graduation, sa grad ball, yung, yan, sa mga darating ninyong activities sa school. Let's do this. So, I'm going to take some of the Careline contour stick and ilalagay ko to on all over my eyelids. So, naghahanap lang ako ng brush, guys. Hindi ako prepared. This one, lagay natin sa brush. You can use your finger if you're more comfortable. Okay, so hindi siya masyadong kita, 'di ba? I'm gonna try and use my finger. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm taking yung blush na ginamit ko, which is Fig from Everbilena. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to put this on my crease. Okay, since hindi naman nakita si contour stick sa eyes, ilalagay ko na lang din itong blush all over the eyelids. Okay, so yung next kong gagawin is yun namang highlight na ginamit ko, which is the Sunnies Face Glow Boss in Hey Girl. Ilalagay ko to all over the eyelids. Okay, and then, para dagdagan natin ng medyo dark dito sa outer corner ng eyes, you can get any bronzer or dark na blush na meron kayo. Ang meron ako ay... Okay, so ito yung gagamitin ko. This is from Everbilena. Ang shade nito is Earth. Ito yung isa sa mga blushes nila dati pa na na-release. Wait lang, ayaw mag-focus. Okay. Medyo may pagka-bronzer shade siya. So, let's see kung mag-a-apply siya ng maayos on the outer corner of the eyes. If hindi, maghanap ako ng iba pang bronzer. Pero that's the idea. Use a bronzer for the outer corner of the eyes. Since again, hindi tayo gagamit ng eyeshadow today. Okay, so right now, ganyan yung nangyayari sa mata natin. But I want to put more shimmer on the eyes. So I'm gonna get the Master Chrome from Maybelline. And ilalagay natin to on the eyelids. And then I'm also gonna put this on the inner corner of the eyes. And then to open up the eyes, lalagay ko rin siya dito. Okay, so ang gagawin ko muna is magwi-wing line muna ako before I put on my eyeliner or mag-tight line. So this is what I'm going to use, the Hyper Ink Liquid Liner. I got this for 149 pesos. So super mura siya. Parang tuyot na yung eyeliner ko. So wait lang guys ha. Let's get another one. Okay, so fail si Hyper Ink kasi tuyot na siya. Ito mura lang din to. This is the Nichido 24-hour tattoo effect eyeliner. I'm gonna put on eyeliner. So magta-tight line lang tayo. Okay, so you can stop here and then put on mascara na lang. But if you want to, you know, really complete the look, I'd suggest na ilagay mo rin yung blush color that we used for all over the eyelids sa waterline. Nung nalaman ko how it really makes a difference when it comes to the eye look, lagi ko na siyang ginagawa. So this is without the parang eyeshadow or the blush here, and this is with, 'di ba? Mas kumpleto tingnan yung dito sa eye na to. So let's do the same here. Pwede nyo naman siyang hindi grabehan, like yan, ganyan lang, light lang. Or if you want, dagdagan nyo pa to really complete or ma-blend talaga. It really depends on you kung gaano ka dami yung color na gusto mong ilagay on the under eye. Pero I think that's good enough. You can stop here, or if you really want to make this a bit more, you can use a black eyeliner. You can use this on the waterline, or pwedeng hindi nyo ituloy hanggang dito lang sa part na to, sa half ng waterline. Or pwedeng ituloy nyo. And then, ituloy nyo siya hanggang doon sa tear duct na area. I-connect nyo yung itaas. So, like that. This is the difference. Ito yung wala pang ganito and ito yung meron. So, pwede nyo pa siyang i-extend yan. This is with the eyeliner and this is without the eyeliner sa tear duct. So, malaki rin yung difference niya. A simple step, pero malaki yung naging effect. So, I'm just gonna put my mascara off cam and then we're gonna finish off everything. Okay, so now we are down to the lips. For the lips, maraming murang lipstick si Maybelline, si Everbilena, Nichido, Detail, di ba? Alam niyo yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin today. This is, at si BYS pala. Well, si BYS hindi siya ganun kamura, pero pwede na rin. But this is the EB Matte Liquid Lipstick in Siennas. So, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamura. How much is this? 185 pesos lang siya. So, there you have it guys. This is our final makeup look.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire. All that you desire.
So, there you have it guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating makeup look. It's simple, pero I think pwedeng-pwede nyo itong isuot sa inyong graduation or sa inyong grad ball or yung mga end of the year activities sa school. And the best thing about this look is hindi ako gumamit ng anything na mahal. All the products that I used are from the drugstore or local brands na madali nyong makukuha and very affordable. And of course, hindi tayo gumamit ng eyeshadow but we we're able to come up with this eye look, diba? Sana nakakuha kayo ng tips and techniques on how to do your makeup without using any eyeshadows or eyeshadow palette. So there you have it, guys. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. See you guys in my next video. Bye!